Hi, grade 4. So, for today's IPC lesson, you will be, let me just start this slideshow. You're going to be looking at different ways people have been making the news and communicating throughout history. So, I've got some illustrations here to represent how early forms of communication have progressed throughout time to where it is to modern day. Your learning objective is to know about early forms of communication. So your task today is to research other forms of early communication. You're going to need to use the internet for your research. Now, these websites here will provide a good starting point. If you choose to then find other websites that will help you with your research, go ahead and do that by all means. Now, once you've done your research, your task then will be to present your findings as an illustrated or annotated timeline. Now, an illustrated timeline means you might add some pictures to represent, I don't know, the telephone or the internet or Morse code. Annotated means you may use notes and write a few words. So here we've got a few examples of what a timeline might look like. So you can see here, 2002, LinkedIn, 2004, Facebook, 2006, Twitter, 2010, Instagram, also Pinterest. So you've got the dates here, you've got a mixture of everything really. You've got the date, you've got an image, and you've got a description. The important part is that you put them in chronological order. When you do your research, what was the first form of communication you can find, and try and bring it up to the most modern form of communication that we use today. Now, this purple line here, it just represents how you might do the timeline. So you could put a date on there, and you could put what happened in that date underneath with a picture or some writing. So good luck with your research, and I look forward to seeing your illustrated timelines when you send them to me.